This part was completed. Future software management practices. So today some more points about future of project management look like. This we will discuss. Okay. Okay then, let's start. I hope the screen is visible to you. If it is not, please let me know. So future of management look like means what? All the time the application needs to improvise, which has led to quick development of the project basically, and its impact will definitely increase with time for sure. So the thing over here is, project management is now available for those activities which do not have a physical dimension. You can apply techniques of project management if you are not producing or carrying goods that have physical existence. Every manager's aim is to complete a project or a task within the given time period and available resources. That too, it should be under his or her control, the manager's control. That is very much necessary. Okay, some more students has joined. Okay, so it is the work of manager or an objective of manager also you can say. That's why technology and is playing and will play a big role in project monitoring and execution. Through project management technology, liability within each team member will increase for executing a project and its delivery. If you can say if you are handling a project with team, then it is important that every team member is skilled enough according to the requirement of the project, whether it is developer or designer or a tester. So that is the main concern over here. Okay, so that it will go smoothly and you can finish your project in the project time span without compromising the quality. If the team members are not capable to handle some work, then manager has to change the members. And project management is carried out by specialized teams whose skills are owned by the knowledge of certain computational skills. That's why today software has become more user friendly. So it has become a mandatory one to be known to the skills and aspects of the software so that you can take out the project in an advanced manner. Latest tools in project management and methods are emerging. Many tools will need to undergo major changes to fulfill new demands. And seeing the competition in the market right now in the scenario, everyone needs updated softwares or methods so that they can beat the market. And also, as per the project requirements, responsibilities of every team member will increase. Every team member will need to be best in their roles and responsibilities in their projects. So this is like that is kind of, we can say, what future of software management look like, and these are the expectations from the people who are working on the projects in the organization. They should be very well aware with the techniques, tools that they are utilizing for the development of the project, and how things are going to affect if those things will not be there. That is the main motive over here, to study this particular topic of future project management should look like or looks like. Okay, these are some points that you have to remember. So up to this point, if you are having any queries, and if in between my network is creating any problem, then that also please let me know. And my slide, if it is not visible to you, please that also let me know. Okay, then I'm moving to next topic. Next topic is modern project management. So here you can see four terms are written down: plan, lead, organize, control, PLOC. with abbreviation PLOC. So these we have to remember. Some points I will tell you about them one by one in a very brief way. We will discuss about modern project management, how planning, leading, organizing, and controlling activities within the project affects the complete thing. Okay, so let us start with this topic. So modern project management serves unique projects, and these could be one-time projects like your website building, and often service providers specializes in delivering unique projects repeatedly, like your creative website building. And because of the customized results, modern project management requires more flexible processes and scope as well, along with specialized resources. And it is common to find services firms tapping outside resources through contract or on contract basis also, you can say, which roll up into a larger project within the provider's interest and services offering. Project management, in basic understanding, you can say, uh, is a way the people plan, they lead, they organize, and they control. That's why this abbreviation of PLOC came into existence, and modern project management utilizes these things along with the modern practices implementation for the development of the projects, you can say. So what I have told you, project management is a way people plan, they lead, they organize, and they control to arrive at a particular result that they expect from the development of the software in the form of a product or a service at last. And in project management, there have been several shifts related to planning, leading, organizing, and controlling the work. Like, what is the meaning of this plan term? So plan means project planning has become more flexible nowadays with modern practices. Once the deal closes, project managers must find the appropriate resources. They have to clear the budget and the time span under which they will be developing the project, tools and technology that they are going to utilize. Uh, so all these things are to be finalized by project managers, which are required to complete the work in a timely manner and for a budget to which the client has agreed. So that is the purpose over here of planning. Then leading. So today's project managers need a more widespread understanding of specific resource skills, since they will be leading a variety of people through specialized tasks that roll up to successful deliverable or successful product delivery, you can say. They must speak many languages, from programming to creative, and creative to project financials, sales, accounting. So they should have that kind of knowledge so that they can lead the complete team, and this knowledge will help them to gain the consensus related to project, contributions which are specific to the project, and create the best environment for the individuals to contribute their 100% to the group in for the project. So that is a kind of leading ability, you can say, and which is very much required. Okay, then third one, organize. So organizing things requires greater flexibility, and project managers, they are increasingly relying on technology to help conduct their work, and they are looking for solutions which pull them out of time consuming calculations, data extractions, report building, manual monitoring. So if there is any way, there are modern tools available which help to organize things in a more efficient manner. By utilizing those kind of things, it makes really easy and user friendly for the project managers, team leaders to work on the development of the projects. So this helps them optimize resource allocation, budget tracking, report building, and on-time delivery of the project. That is the purpose over here. Then last one is control. Control is means with more flexible tools, we can have a good control over the progress of the project. That is the main motive over here. And project managers, they are able to shift resources in between the projects in order to address any particular issues which can arise up, like potentially not meeting a deadline or going over budget. So today's software creates this environment of greater control with providing the innovation platforms uh, to the competitors, you can say, or to the stakeholders of the project, you can say. So these kind of tools will be available, which are available right now with the modern project management, which will help the stakeholders to work on these things more efficiently, and they give more fruitful results for the development of the projects. So that is these 4 points: plan, lead, organize, and control. So till this point, if you are having any doubts, please let me know. Then we'll move ahead to next topic.